We're here at the Silva's house, Rosalia Silva. Just a quick video of the problem on the tub. It appears that somebody hooked up a corrugated 1.5-inch hose to the P-trap. They cut it off from the trap arm. As you can see, they put tape on it. And also this hose, I don't know where it goes, but I give them an A for creativity. And as you can see, that was probably the problem. The pipe has a busted or it's corroded at the nipple that connects the waste to the tub. So they abandoned it and they put this hose on it. So we're gonna attempt to correct this by cutting right here and changing all this new with ABS all the way up to this point. We're gonna be cutting it here. We're gonna be cutting it right up here. Right up here, we're gonna be cutting it, changing this T, this sand T, and changing all this, making it all new. So, with nothing else to say, JC Love is gonna go to town right here. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and start cutting right here, cutting away. And we should be done in a few hours. I will record the new installation. Okay, nothing else to say. We're gonna go to town. Yeah, this place is gonna need a repipe as well. Very soon. Very soon.